A well-maintained and properly installed roof does far more than protect your home from the elements. It plays a major role in your home's overall energy efficiency. In Plymouth, where the weather can fluctuate between cool, damp conditions and bright, sunny days, homeowners are discovering how a professional roofing company can help reduce energy waste and improve indoor comfort all year round. Upgrading to energy-efficient roofing materials. One of the most effective ways a roofing company in Plymouth enhances energy efficiency is by recommending and installing energy-efficient materials. Traditional dark asphalt shingles absorb heat, making homes warmer in the summer and forcing air conditioning systems to work harder. Modern alternatives, such as cool roofing shingles, metal roofing, and reflective membranes, are designed to reflect solar energy instead of absorbing it. These materials keep your attic and home cooler, lowering cooling costs during warmer months. For example, light-colored or specially coated shingles can reduce roof surface temperatures by up to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, which directly impacts your home's internal temperature and energy consumption. Additionally, energy-efficient materials often come with extended lifespans and better resistance to moisture, mold, and UV damage, meaning fewer replacements and repairs over time. Enhancing insulation and ventilation. A roofing company doesn't just install shingles, they improve the entire roofing system. Proper insulation and ventilation are crucial for maintaining stable indoor temperatures. In winter, warm air rises and can escape through a poorly insulated roof, leading to heat loss and higher energy bills. In summer, a lack of ventilation traps hot air in the attic, making your cooling system work overtime. Plymouth roofing experts address these issues by reinforcing attic insulation and ensuring there's a balanced flow of air through ridge vents, soffit vents, and attic fans. This combination prevents heat buildup in summer and retains warmth in winter, creating a comfortable environment while lowering energy consumption. Repairing leaks and preventing heat loss. Even minor roof damage can significantly affect your home's efficiency. Leaks, cracks, or missing shingles allow conditioned air to escape and moisture to seep in. This not only drives up energy costs but can also lead to insulation damage, mold growth, and structural deterioration. A professional roofing company in Plymouth conducts detailed inspections to detect and seal any areas of air leakage. Using thermal imaging or moisture detection technology, they pinpoint hidden problem spots and perform targeted repairs to restore the roof's energy-saving performance. Regular maintenance visits can also help prevent future issues, ensuring your home remains energy efficient, safe, and weather-resistant year after year. Installing solar roofing systems. For homeowners who want to take energy efficiency to the next level, many Plymouth roofing companies offer solar panel or solar shingle installation. These systems convert sunlight into clean, renewable energy, reducing reliance on the grid and cutting monthly utility bills. Solar roofs not only lower energy costs but can also increase property value and qualify homeowners for federal or state tax incentives. By integrating these systems seamlessly into the roofing design, modern roofing companies ensure your home remains both attractive and efficient. Energy-efficient roof coatings and reflective treatment. Roof coatings are another powerful way roofing professionals boost efficiency. Reflective coatings act like a shield, bouncing sunlight away and reducing the amount of heat absorbed by the roof surface. This is particularly beneficial for flat or low-sloped roofs common in certain Plymouth homes. These coatings can be applied over existing materials, extending the roof's life while providing immediate energy savings. They also protect against UV rays, thermal shock, and water damage, ensuring long-term performance with minimal upkeep. The long-term benefits for homeowners. When you hire a roofing company in Plymouth that prioritizes energy efficiency, you're investing in long-term comfort and sustainability. Lower energy bills, fewer HVAC repairs, and improved indoor air quality all add up to significant savings and better living conditions. Moreover, eco-friendly roofing choices contribute to a smaller carbon footprint, an important consideration for environmentally conscious homeowners. With expert guidance and regular maintenance, your roof becomes more than a shelter. It becomes a key component of a smart, energy-efficient home. In summary, A roofing company in Plymouth enhances home energy efficiency through advanced materials, proper insulation, air sealing, and modern technologies like solar integration. These improvements not only reduce utility costs but also make homes more durable, comfortable, and environmentally responsible, ensuring Plymouth homeowners enjoy energy savings and peace of mind in every season.